I was sent this product at no cost for the purpose of this review. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box so we can check it out. All right, and there's quite a bit of things in this box for this fan. So we'll start off over here on the right. You've got the balancer kit for the blades. You've got a mounting kit that has all the screws and everything in it. You've got two blade colors. These are reversible blades, so you basically just flip them over. But one side is black and one side is kind of like a really dark reddish maple or oak, something like that. It's got a wood grain pattern on it. These are the brackets to mount the blades to the fan motor. This is the remote here with some mounting hardware for the little remote carrier, and then the manual for the remote. This is also the remote control unit. The small down rod, there's also an optional long down rod according to how long you want this to drop off the ceiling. This is the main mount to the ceiling. You've got some covers that go from the down rod and the motor. These are decorative covers that cover the bolts that are going to attach the blades to the motor. And then of course, you have the manual. So everything seems to be here. I am going to go ahead and get started installing this in the ceiling. Well, all right, I've got the ceiling fan that was here pulled off, and I am fixing to put the new ceiling fan on. I've got to get this main bracket here installed. That way I can hook the down rod into it, and then I can finish the wiring, then do the final steps of pushing the things up there, screwing in the cover, and then we'll be ready to go. So I'm going to do that now. All right, so I've got the fan installed. Looks really nice in his room. We went ahead and chose the black side of the blades, so that way the fan is just all black. This is the light on. Of course, you can just turn the light off. Of course, it's dark though. That's what it looks like when you turn it on. So there's three colors for the light. You can do a daylight type of color, or you can do like a warm color. And then there's also a in-between color. You've got all these settings on the remote here. So you can, of course, turn the fan on. It's got speeds 1 through 6. You can turn off the fan, of course, from the remote also. And from the remote, you can do forward or reverse. So you don't have to climb up there and change anything on the fan. You can do all of that from the remote. The remote also has 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour timers. I'm going to turn the fan off. But yeah, all in all, very nice, very quiet. I didn't even have to use the balancer kit. It's very nice and balanced. It doesn't wiggle. It went up there just no problem. Looks like it's going to work out to be a really good fan in this room. I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.